try to um, remove the patch panels. As you can see, this one now is 8 ports and 12 ports. This one have a 12 ports, and why this one is 48 ports. So this one is 48 ports. So what we are doing is this: these 8 ports have a coupler. Then we try to remove it, and we want to freeze it here. So for it to freeze it, we will remove the covers. As you see, we remove it. So we remove it. Uh, 48 now. So we are trying to freeze the connector now. So this one we have to freeze it like this, as you can see. So we are freezing it. This is the one we are doing now. Freezing it. We are freezing it like this. So this is it. So these are the teams. These are my teams. Yeah. So these are the work we are doing today. Thank you for watching. Comment, like.